Hello students, welcome in today's lesson. We will discuss about living things.
First of all, any idea about what living things are? I think they are things that have life.
Nze ndowooza bye bintu ebirina obulamu mu byo.
I think they breathe, walk, or die.
Nze ndowooza bissa, bitambula oba bifa.
You are all right. They have life and these are their characteristics. Okay. John could not stop looking at Mary as she gave her answer.
John yatunuulira nnyo Mary ng'awaayo okwanukula kwe.
He lost focus in class only to wait for the teacher to get out and this time tell her what he felt.
Ye yali takyategeera era ng'alinda musomesa afulume ku mulundi guno amugambe kye yali awulira.
Hello, Mary. I am John. Can I tell you something?
Ajje baliko Mary. Nze John. Nsobola okugambayo ekintu.
What is it? Mary said surprisingly.
Kiki? Mary yamubuuza nga yeewuunya.
I'm in love with you.
Nze ndi mukwano naawe.
What? Don't disturb me. She slapped John.
Eki? Nze tontawaanya.
Mary, but why? John replied.
Mary, naye lwaki? John yamwanukula.
Please, Mary, give me a chance in your life. I find it hard to concentrate in class when you're not around.
Bambi Mary, mpa akakisa mu bulamu bwo. Kiba kizibu nze okubitegeera mu kibiina nga toliiwo.
Please think about it and give me a positive answer.
Bambi kirowoozeeko onziremu bulungi.
I'll be waiting for you tomorrow. Please think about it.
Nze nja kuba nkulinze enkya. Bambi kirowoozeeko.
Dear viewers, what advice do you give to this beautiful schoolgirl Mary? Please leave your answers in the comments section.
Abalabi baffe abalungi, magezi ki g'owa omwana w'essomero ono? Leka obubaka bwo mu comment section.